Welcome back, everybody. As you guys can tell, Foxbody's still here. Come on, someone help me out here. Okay, someone buy it. Okay, I'm tired of looking at it, tired of seeing it. We got other things we gotta do. But in today's video, I'm finally gonna be upgrading on the S550. You guys obviously know by the title or the thumbnail of this what I'm actually doing to it, and I'm super excited to see what it's gonna look like. Let's go get a little before shot. Also gotta love these candy sunsets, you know what I'm saying? If you guys know, you know. Let's get a good cold start. Let's go ahead and bring this bad boy into the shop here if I don't kill it. Oh, e-brakes on. Noob. Oh man, look at that thing. Staring at me, dirty. God damn, this thing's rowdy. Man, that's close. Let's go ahead and switch to the GoPro and get these taillights installed in the new spoiler. We'll get a good before look of what the back end's gonna look like before this old GT350, GT500 Spoiler, and Euro. I'm gonna hit something. This is not a good idea. Let's grab the spoiler first. Ooh, buddy. Bam. Oh, already did it. What the heck? I'll just place this gently right here. And then come on out, big guy. There we go. Okay, easy enough. Can't forget the seals or gaskets. Or pretty much what it is 3M sticky tape, double-sided. I'm scared. Oh. I almost dropped it. Oh, I hit the damn God. I need a bigger garage. Leave a like if you guys think I should build a bigger garage. That's gonna look so good on this thing. Too bad this thing is like super shiny compared to this, which in you know, honest opinion, it just needs cut and buffed. I think the whole black would come back to life. It looks, you know, really good with that new black compared to the old black. But so let's go ahead and lift it. Let's do the simple things first. Obviously, let's do the spoiler, which should be super simple. It should be, what, maybe 2 bolts if I'm lucky, 3 if most. Now that we got all the clips taken out for this, got 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. So grab your trusty handy dandy Impact. Not sponsored by Milwaukee, but if you guys want to sponsor me, I buy a lot of your tools. Look, bam, 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 bam. All right, not coming all the way out. I'm probably gonna drop it. Where's my magnet? I need a magnet. I'm gonna drop it. All right, well, we're gonna move on for now. I'm gonna drop this one too. All right, I'm gonna find the magnet. Bam, found it. All right, now we gotta do this properly. Hallelujah. Oh, that's so nice to hear. All right, now this thing should just pop off. There's gonna be some tape or some sealant. But you're just gonna have to not be afraid of it. There we go. Woo! I hate that noise. God, this stuff's stuck. Damn, there goes that one. If you got, look, I still have my other one from my S197 that's sitting here. Now I have 2 stock black ones. Then you guys obviously know I got the New Edge GT one, and the New Edge is Cobra spoiler. So I got 4 spoilers now. I'm collecting Ford parts, and now it's not just an abundance of Chevy parts. So next thing you're gonna want to do is obviously clean all this stuff up. You do not want to leave any of the old residue because you're gonna be putting on the new, and you're obviously not gonna want that. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up. I should have an eraser wheel, yes sir, and a drill. So what I'm gonna do, ooh, caught it, is go ahead and start taking off all this 3M that Ford put on there from the factory. Hopefully it just comes right off. Oh yeah, it's gonna get all types of hot and gummy, but we'll see. we'll just see. Hopefully in the next scene it's good. All right. Well, I got most of it. Where you're gonna see it off, kind of took a lot longer than expected, but it's fine. This new one, all I gotta do, I think, is put the gasket stuff, or the 3M sticky on here. Hopefully it sticks. I might scuff it up a little bit so it'll actually adhere to it. That way there's no problem with, you know, leakage, condensation, anything going inside the trunk causing any problems down the road. Get some 2000 grit here and just get it scuffed. That way I don't have a problem. Wipe it off a little bit. Make sure the stuff is actually gonna stick. I think it will. I don't know. I couldn't tell you for surezies, but I want to say that's it. But what is that? Ah, stupid. Look at that. I'm an expert. Dude, this spoiler's getting treated like dirt. All right, one side's on. Let's get the rest. This is where it gets kind of scary because the double-sided tape's off. The double-sided tape is on, so like the moment I plop it down, there's no going back. So maybe I should grab the screws first and put the screws in there and like screw it in like that first. Kind of in. We're not gonna fully get it installed. I'd like to get it cut and buffed like the whole car, but man, does that look good. Oh, besides this, I need this whole plastic part, but don't mind that part. Don't mind. Don't even look at it. Just look at the spoiler. Damn, that's saucy. Now that's kind of over with, let's get these 15 through 17 taillights off of this bad boy and install the Euro version of these. Oh, this thing's gonna look so good with these on there. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get these off. They should be only 3. Cool. Three bolts or 3 nuts. Bless you. So all I gotta do is take this thing off, take this out, use the right tool for the right job, but yeah, this should just pop out. Yeah, there we go. That'll pop out. We'll move it forward. That way it'll actually expose this whole back half. Look at that. Right here, and this one right here. Unplug it. Just like that. Alright, now we just need to take our tip. And don't lose it. And just like this should whole just pop out. We'll just set this aside. Now we have time to clean this area up that's probably never been cleaned before. I want to see if I can fix this real fast. We'll just get this area cleaned up. Oh, here we go. Oh my Lana. Oh, that's nice. All right. So, oh my Lana. Just looking at it. Why would you... Who said red was a good idea? Look at that. Oh, okay. We got to see what it looks like. See? They look almost identical. Just when you turn them off. That looks... Oh! That looks good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's sexy. I need this thing whole cut and buff. Man. Does that look saucy? Man. Should have just bought a GT350 kaboob. Come on, man. This thing does look pretty good, though. Does look pretty good. Let's go ahead and move the boxes out of the way. You know what? I should just put this single turbo on there. Make my own kit. Does that look good? Okay, let's just finish this install up and maybe just wipe it down and we'll call it a day. And here's the final shot. Man, does that look saucy if I do say so myself right there. Oh, baby. Let's get a good side shot here. Look at that. That looks good. Next, I have my tires I gotta put on. This one's like the only good one left out of the 4. The rest of them are just kind of shot. We're done with this one. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and guys, we're almost at 6,000. Come on, help me out here. Look at that thing. You gotta just subscribe now. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.